So we have over 7,870,476 debt collector lawsuits, and this is spanning from 2009 to 2025. Now, here's the crazy thing, is that with this website that is doing the tracking, there's only 12 states that will give them the information about debt collector lawsuits. And that's, I find that incredible. Like, don't you find that incredible that out of all of these states, with just getting this simple information about people who are getting sued by debt collectors, that only 12 states would make it available? And so you could see why sometimes there's a lot of confusion, misconceptions. Some people think that debt collectors cannot even sue people. I've had people say that. And that's because the information is not readily available for everyone to just know what's really going on. So imagine this: you're at home. The day feels normal, coffee on the counter, TV playing in the background, and then a knock at your door. Not a friend, not a neighbor. It's the sheriff's department, and they're not here to have a nice conversation with you. They're not here to negotiate with you. They're here because a debt collector already won the case, and you didn't respond in time. Now picture this: your bank account frozen, your paycheck garnished, your tax refund intercepted, your property listed for seizure. All because of a piece of paper you ignored, or you didn't know how to respond. Here's the truth: most people don't realize debt collectors don't enforce judgments. The sheriff department does. Once a judgment is entered, the system moves without you. No warnings, no second chances, no mercy. And the scariest part, most people could have stopped this if they had responded correctly to the lawsuit. That's where Summons Master comes in. Summons Master helps you respond before the sheriff gets involved. Court ready, deadline driven, a strategy in place, not panic, not guesswork, not hoping it goes away. Because once the sheriff knocks, the decision has already been made. If you're being sued by a debt collector or receiving court papers, go to summonsmaster.com, upload your summons, and get help before the enforcement begins. Don't wait for a knock on your door. Fight the lawsuit first. If you need help with your credit, please visit us at thecreditrepairshop.com. Watch the video, What Makes Us Different, so you can see my 8-point validation process, my 2-phase settlement process. If you need your credit reports and scores, go to the website your3scores.com to grab your TransUnion, Equifax, Experian credit reports and all 3 scores. Thank you for your time. Subscribe to the channel. Post your questions and comments. This is Stephen A. Williams, President and Founder of thecreditrepairshop.com.